Hello everyone, let's learn Python data types. So basically we have built-in data types such as text data type is string, numeric data types are like int, float, complex, sequence data types are list, tuples, range, and mapping data type is dictionary. Whereas we have sets, we call set or frozen set, then we have boolean types that is true or false, then we have binary types, bytes, byte array, memory weave, and then we have an end type that is none. So let's get started there. Let me give quick examples for you. Let's say I have a variable called name and that equals to Techie, okay, and let's say this is a string, and let's say age equals to 25, so this is a int. Let's say height, let's say 170.5, this is a float. Complex data types look something like 2 plus 3j. Complex list would look something like square braces, then the numbers, or it can hold any data type. We will be discussing more in detail, but I'm just giving you the hint like how each of the data types looks. Tuple is immutable data type. We will discuss more on this again. It starts and ends with the brackets, and then we have the numbers here. Dictionary is nothing but key value pairs, and dictionary would look something like this. So there are other few data types as well, but as I've defined few examples here, but how can you verify which particular data type is which? For example, if I want to know what is the data type of this name Techie, so what I would do is, let me just run this first, then if I just print name, then you can see this is Techie. So what I'll do is I'll just add something called as type function. So when you call a type function with inside a variable that you want to know the type of, in this case that's the name, you can see it gives me the output string. And let's say if I would like to know what is the data type of age, then it would give me int. If I would like to know what is the data type of this complex, then it would say complex. If I would say what is the data type of this tuple that we have defined, then it would say tuple. So this is how it works. Like these are the data types. We will be learning how to slice them, access them, modify them, and do a lot of arithmetic operations on these, and how we can loop through it, iterate through it, right? So these all things we will be understanding in the further videos. So hope you understood the data types in Python, one, and second, how we can define them. These are the few, but we will be learning everything in detail, and to how to identify a type of the data. So let's continue in the next video. If you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to drop in the comment, and for more, make sure you subscribe. Bye.